G'day guys, I'm Jacob, this is Benny, and today we're going to be installing an air suspension kit to the rear of this Dodge 1500 Ram.
This Ram has been supplied and converted by the team at SCD American Vehicles. Now the customer tows a caravan, and the weight over the tow ball is pushing the rear end down, causing spring sag. This is resulting in loss of travel.
These airbags will solve that spring sag problem and level the vehicle simply by inflating the airbags.
This kit's got a recommended fitment time of 2 hours.
But we're going to be installing it in 2 to 3 minutes just for you, aren't we, Benny?
Yep.
Let's do it. Everything you need to install your Airbag Man suspension comes in the kit. If you have the high pressure kit, you will be supplied with Airbag Man's unique high pressure sleeves. It is recommended to slide the sleeves over the airbags before inserting into the coil springs. It is recommended that only a properly qualified person installs the product and carries out maintenance. If you are not qualified and attempt to carry out such work, ensure that all safety equipment is used and safety standards are met. All our installation instructions are vehicle specific. It is important that the installation instructions and product manual are read through thoroughly before fitment.
These airbags fit inside the coil spring. For ease of installation, we've extended the suspension to open up the coil gaps. Let's show you how it's done.
Take the supplied upper protector spacer and push it through the largest coil spring gap with the smallest diameter facing up. Cut the tubing cleanly with a sharp Stanley knife or tube cutter and insert the tubing into the push to connect fitting on top of the airbag. Pass the other end of the tubing through the largest coil spring gap, through the hole of the protector spacer and out through the upper spring seat hole, pulling the tubing until the airbag meets the coil spring. A handy tip is to squeeze as much air out of the airbags before inserting into the coil springs. Using the supplied cable ties, route the tubing away from any sharp edges and heat to the rear of the vehicle where you have mounted the inflation valves. Cut the tubing cleanly and insert into the back of the inflation valves. The first side is complete, and it's now time to repeat the same process on the opposite side.
Now that the airbags are installed, I've inflated them to 40 psi and I'm going to use soapy water in a spray bottle and spray all the fitting and tubing connections. Let's do it.
Now that everything is in place and leak tested, it is now time to refer to the last page of your installation instructions for the minimum and maximum pressures. By inflating your airbags, this will give you the adjustability you need to level your vehicle and eliminate spring sag when towing or carrying load. Now you can enjoy leveling control and many other benefits with your Airbag Man suspension. If you want to go that one step further with inflating and deflating your airbags, we have a massive range of onboard air supply systems available, from switches, wireless controllers, and auto leveling. So make sure you jump on our website and check them out. There we go, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Now remember, bag it with the best.